Welcome to Adventure Travel. Today, we journey to 12 mythical places, real locations so enchanting they seem born from legend. Our planet is still full of secrets and wonders waiting to be discovered. We'll unveil destinations that challenge the imagination and redefine natural beauty. Stay with us for the final reveal, a place so breathtaking it will transform your sense of what's possible on Earth. Let's begin our adventure. Our first stop, Ireland's Cliffs of Moher, where sheer rock faces rise nearly 400 feet above the Atlantic. These cliffs stretch for 14 kilometers, shaped by relentless wind and waves over millennia. The view is staggering. On clear days you can spot the Aran Islands and distant mountain peaks. Over 30,000 seabirds nest here, including puffins and razorbills, filling the air with life. The cliffs are steeped in Irish legend, their ancient stones whispering tales of lost mariners and mythical queens. From O'Brien's Tower to Hag's Head, every vantage point offers a humbling perspective on nature's power. Standing here, you feel the wild spirit of Ireland, untamed, enduring, and unforgettable. The Cliffs of Moher are a true icon of natural grandeur. Next we travel to Bolivia's Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat, stretching over 10,000 square kilometers. In the dry season, it's a mosaic of white salt tiles. In the rainy season, it becomes a perfect mirror, blurring the line between earth and sky. This surreal landscape is the remnant of ancient lakes, now a vast, silent expanse. The reflective surface draws travelers and photographers from around the world, especially at sunrise and sunset. Dotted with cactus-covered islands, Salar de Uyuni is both a geological marvel and a photographer's dream. Beneath the salt lies lithium, powering our modern world. To stand here is to feel suspended between two heavens, a mythical mirror reflecting infinity. Salar de Uyuni is a place where reality and illusion merge. In Senegal, Lake Retba, Lac Rose, stuns with its vivid pink waters. The color comes from salt-loving bacteria that thrive in the lake's high salinity, producing a rosy pigment. Locals harvest salt from its shallow waters, creating striking white mounds along the shore. The pink is most intense during the dry season, contrasting beautifully with the blue sky and white salt banks. Lake Retba is a testament to nature's creativity, a living canvas of color and adaptation. It's a magical, otherworldly sight, an African lake that truly blushes under the sun. Deep in Colombia's Guaitara River Canyon stands Las Lajas Sanctuary, a neo-Gothic basilica seemingly carved from the cliffs. Legend tells of a miraculous vision of the Virgin Mary here, inspiring centuries of devotion. The church's spires and bridge span the gorge, blending faith and engineering in a breathtaking setting. One wall is the canyon itself, incorporating the sacred image at its altar. Pilgrims and travelers alike are drawn by its spiritual aura and architectural wonder. Las Lajas is a bridge between earth and sky, a mythical sanctuary in the heart of the Andes. It's a place where legend and landscape unite in awe. In China's Zhangye National Geopark, the Rainbow Mountains dazzle with stripes of red, yellow, green, and blue. These colors are the result of millions of years of layered minerals, sculpted by tectonic forces and erosion.